We're looking at what I call goals and science. I will start with a song. I have no wisdom of mine. I have no wisdom of mine. Holy Spirit, I look up to you. Help me. Wisdom of mine. I just want to say that Hollywood is not a good example when it comes to girls, because a lot of the times girls are actually sexualized. The kinds of examples that Hollywood gives, it's all about being sexy, and actually it can lead to sin. But the scriptures give very good examples. Acts chapter 2, verse 17. In the last days, God says, I'll pour out my spirit on all people. Your sons and daughters will prophesy. Your young men will see visions. Your old men will dream dreams. So, if you look at, particularly in the Old Testament, those that were able to have those kinds of spiritual experiences and revelations were those saints that went on top of the mountain and encountered God. But for everyone now, there's access. Everybody can actually access the Spirit, and that's why you can see that your sons and daughters will actually prophesy. And somewhere along in the book of Acts, uh, the daughters of Philip were virgins and they were prophesying, which is a very good example. And so I know that girls are already doing very well, particularly in Southern Africa in terms of science, and this should be something that should continue. So spiritually, it's important for girls to, be vibrant in the spirit, also physically in terms of the academia. In terms of the academics, they should also stand out and excel. Uh, because God has given that empowerment by His Spirit, and you need, God in your life. You need Christ in your life. You need to make a commitment with the Lord so that the wisdom from God, can actually take control of your life so that you can excel both physically and spiritually.